So here we're marking out for our metal trusses. In this shade, it is only 2 bay and one metal truss. On your page, all your material list that you'll get from DF Shades. There'll be a section on it for your top hats and side rails. I'll give you the length of them and the quantity of them. So set down your top hat rails. In this occasion is 2 bay, 2 side rails. This is where your middle truss will go. If your shade is 4 or 5 bay long, just repeat the process. So what we want to do is measure here from the joint 35 mm and put a mark on, and then repeat the process at the other side. This will be where you bore your plate. So after you put your mark on for your centre bay, use your square off your chalk line to mark in nice and square. And your 4 perimeters will already be square with the chalk line. So here we're boring for our base plates. You'll see your 2 chalk lines. Set your plate lovely square with them. You'll need an SDS drill and a 10mm bit. Bore the holes exactly in the middle of your base plate.